So we're gonna go ahead and hang my shelves today, my little shelves. And I think, whoa, that almost fell, that I want to put them here. So that's underneath my shelf. So that's what my shelf looks like. I thought about putting them over here, but I just felt like they would stick out too much and it didn't look right. That's where I'm gonna put it for now. Or forever. I guess there's no for now, huh, babe? And there too, I think they would stick out too much, especially coming in from the door. But because that one's already out, I don't think it'll interfere with coming in and out of the door. Okay, so there it is. I didn't think it would look too busy, and hopefully it doesn't. And when I unbox my Louis Vuitton, that item will go there. So that kind of gives you a hint of what it is. I do like it. I was hoping it didn't look like too much, but it's perfect. So the other shelves we're gonna put in the bathroom and then in my office. So I'll show you that next. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that other shelf right here. Just a little one. So that's what it looks like before. So in here is where I'm gonna put the other two shelves. So one there and one there, just to take this off of the countertop and leave just a little bit more room on here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna move that over. I might, but I think that'll make it easier to just have more room here as opposed to having this stuff there. So just like that. And that'll help clear off the sink. I'll show you guys once my husband puts up the shelves. Okay, that is how that looks. And I just put, it's supposed to hold pretty good amount of weight, but as we have seen, they have fallen before, so we don't want to put too much weight on it. The other thing that my husband found was that you have to be careful how you hang it. You hang it with the narrow part up, not the bigger hole on the top. So even though you think you put it in, you're supposed to put the nail head through the bigger part and then slide it up. I'll show you here in a second with one of the other ones. So see, that big part goes down and that more narrow part goes up, so it hangs like this. And then you slide it in like that. We had it like this, and that's not right. One thing that I wanted to make sure to mention with this part, why I didn't go ahead and do it, and I did do that part, was because I had already opened those, and that was the reason that I went ahead and used the ones that I used, but I didn't want to open a new packet. So I just wanted to clarify that, because I know it seemed like, well, you did those and then you stopped. So that was the reason that I stopped and want to see if I can find the other ones in the IKEA when we go this coming weekend, as opposed to opening another new pack. So I just wanted to clarify that. Okay, so here they are. They look so pretty and definitely leave us more room on the countertop. Let me see if I can get from this direction from the door. Yeah, see, it looks so much better. I really do like them a lot. And I like that we left enough room for the paper towels there. So yay, those were all the shelves. Now, the other thing that I bought from IKEA that I didn't tell you all about, these bottles, and they have a cork. And I bought like 3 of them for water, like when we're having dinner or something, just to have some water in them or juice or something. So I got those. So I'm gonna have to figure out where I want to put them, but I really do like these. I like that they're glass, and I was hoping that they would fit up here, but they don't. They're too big. So anyway, that's the end of my video, y'all. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.